Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. HTML encoding is a common practice to represent special characters in HTML documents. However, there are times when you need to decode HTML encoded strings back to their original form. In Python, the HTML module provides a convenient way to achieve this. HTML encoding replaces special characters, such as, and, etc., with their corresponding HTML entities. For example, the less than sign becomes and/lt, the greater than sign becomes and/gt, and the ampersand end becomes and/amp. The HTML module in Python provides the escape and unescape functions, which can be used for encoding and decoding HTML entities, respectively. In this tutorial, we'll focus on decoding HTML encoded strings using the HTML module. Ensure that you have the HTML module installed. You can install it using the following command. Here's a simple example demonstrating how to use the HTML module to decode HTML encoded strings. In this example, the decode_HTML_string function takes an HTML encoded string as input and uses HTML.unescape to decode it. The decoded string is then printed to the console. Keep in mind that HTML encoding not only represents angle brackets and ampersands but also other special characters. The HTML module handles a wide range of HTML entities, ensuring that your decoded strings accurately reflect the original content. Decoding HTML encoded strings in Python is straightforward with the HTML module. Whether you're working with user input, web scraping, or any other scenario involving HTML encoded data, the HTML module provides a reliable and efficient solution. ChatGPT. Sure, let's dive into HTML string decoding in Python. When working with web data in Python, you may encounter HTML encoded strings that need to be decoded for better readability. HTML encoding is a way of representing special characters using HTML entities. To decode these encoded strings, you can use the HTML module in the HTML library, which provides a convenient function called unescape. If you don't have the HTML library installed, you can install it using pip. In your Python script or Jupyter notebook, import the HTML module. The HTML.unescape function takes an HTML encoded string as input and returns the decoded string. Here's an example. In this example, the HTML encoded string contains entities like and/amp, for ampersand, and #60, for less than, and #62, for greater than. The HTML.unescape function decodes these entities, resulting in a more human-readable string. Save your script and run it. You should see the original HTML encoded string along with its decoded counterpart. Decoding HTML strings in Python is straightforward with the HTML library. By using the HTML.unescape function, you can easily convert HTML encoded strings into their original, human-readable form. Feel free to incorporate this method into your web scraping or data processing projects where HTML encoded text needs to be transformed for analysis or presentation. ChatGPT.